Does cracking knuckles actually cause arthritis? Well, the answer is cracking knuckles isn't a great habit, but it probably won't raise your risk for arthritis. That's the conclusion of several studies that have compared rates of hand arthritis among habitual knuckle crackers and people who don't crack their knuckles. When you crack your knuckles, what happens is the space between your joints and hands actually increases. Gas bubbles that are in those spaces actually pop or are crushed, and that's the sound you hear.